A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever look on one little watermelon seed it and think about how from the one little seed, one big old watermelon come out of it? As a matter of fact, not even just one melon, but one vine with a whole heap of melon come from the one little seed there. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button too and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 4 from verse 30 to verse 34. Jesus asked the people them again, where we can say God kingdom turn like? Or what kind of story we can use to help people understand it? It come in like one little seed where somebody plant in the ground. It littler than all other seed. But when it plant, it grow and get bigger than all of the plant them were in the garden. It send out some big limb, and the wild bird them build them nest in it. So Jesus used no little story like them here to teach them all what they could understand. Everything he tell them, him use story to tell them. But when in them amongst him special follower them, he broke down everything to them to make them understand. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.